everyone, this is Cassidy from Network RV. I'm here to talk about the Roadvac. It's the CS8 model central vacuum especially designed for RVs, trailers, and tiny houses. Let's take a look inside the box. This is a standard UPS box and it's shipped from the factory in Florida straight to you. And inside is the central vacuum with a regular power cord, sleek, compact engineering. It's from Germany, proudly made in America, just 12 inches by 6 inches by 6 inches. About the size of a loaf of bread, the tiny central vacuum fits into any convenient wall or cabinet. It can be surface or flush mounted with these 4 screws. And it can suck up 4 bowling balls. High-powered pet hair cleaning with a 40-foot stretch hose, so you only need to vacuum each area once, a real time saver. There is an on-off switch, a vacuum port for the hose, and you can open this up and remove the disposable bag. A flexible 8-foot hose stretches 40 feet, so it's easy to clean the entire length of your RV. A pistol grip with a lightweight steel telescoping wand provides excellent flexibility for moving around the RV. You get a combo tool. You can go from deep rug to gentle bare floors. You get a wide upholstery nozzle tool for mattresses, cushions, and upholstery, and a round stubborn dust brush for pet hair cleaning in small areas, and a small crevice tool, gets into cracks and corners, and a toolkit bag, which puts everything neatly in one place. You also get a quick start guide and installation manual. Plus, we have 2 free bonus gifts: a 2-foot flexible crevice tool for hard to reach places, like slide outs, plus an extended dashboard brush tool, a combined value of $20 free. Plus, we have free 2-day shipping and a 6-year factory warranty. And it comes with a 30-day 100% money-back satisfaction guarantee. If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching.